everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing really well. For this look today, I thought I would do a no makeup, everyday sort of makeup look that you can just kind of get up, throw it on your face in just a few minutes and just instantly feel more revived and fresh and just happy with the way that you look without having to use loads of products or spend loads of time. So if, like me, you're a mum and you push for time in the morning and things like that, this is a great way just to get ready super quick and still look really fresh. So I've gathered together a few products for this look. I've got them in a little tray next to me and I'm just going to get in with the look straight away because I am pushed for time. That's what happens when you're a mum, and I'm just going to start the look now, so I hope you all really enjoy it. So the first product I'm going to use is my NARS Laguna liquid bronzer. Blend it together in the hands and just go in on the face. So I've already done all my skincare, so I've cleansed, I've even done a light exfoliation this morning, toned, moisturised, some vitamin C serum on. I even did a bit of retinol this morning. I don't normally do it in the morning, but I didn't do it last night, so I thought I'll make up for it by doing it this morning instead. And I've changed up my moisturiser for the day, so I do vitamin C serum and I use moisturiser as well, because serum and moisturiser are two different things, so you need everything. You don't need everything, but obviously I am a proper beauty junkie, so I like to use all the different things for whatever they do. Is that blended in? Okay guys, so I have got my NARS Laguna liquid bronzer on my face now, so that's all I've got on so far. The next product I'm going to use is my NARS Pure Radiant Tinted Moisturiser. And the shade that I'm using is Finland. Not even going to do a big pump of that, just literally a tiny bit. Dot it around the face is what I do. Everyone has their own method of doing these things, but just to make sure I've got a bit all over the face, I just go in. And with this one, I just literally blend it in using my fingertips. Bring it all around, do around the eye area, everything. And it's so nice is because like it is so radiant, it just looks like your skin but better. That's exactly what it does. Bring it all up in here. I've noticed on a couple of my videos recently that I've like not blended in between my eyebrows and above my brows, so I'm like really conscious to make sure I do that now, because how awkward that I just wasn't basically finishing my makeup properly. And that is the tinted moisturiser on. It doesn't look like you've got makeup on, and really you've not. It's almost like skincare using a tinted moisturiser, because you're kind of getting the benefit of like a really lightweight foundation. This just looks really radiant. It just makes, like I say, your skin look like your skin. So it still looks like you, but just better, which is really nice. So that is on. The next product I'm going to go in with is concealer, because even when we want to just look really fresh, sometimes you do just need a little bit of concealer to wake you up. Like my eyes are looking a little bit tired this morning. I'm just going to do like the areas that I feel like I might have a little bit of redness. And then I'm just going to take this little brush from Real Techniques. It's the Deluxe Crease Brush. It's not really for concealer, but it is quite nice to blend it in. And that is the concealer done. So we are making tracks, guys. We're looking good. So that's 3 of the 6 products that I'm using today done. The next product I'm going to use is the Revolution Pro Brow Mascara. I'm just going to come in here. So my brows aren't looking too bad at the moment, but I am going to do an at-home brow tint with you all. Just bring that up a little bit. I haven't actually got mine to hand, but what you can do if you like a really natural finish, which I do really with brows especially, you can kind of puff that in a little bit with a spoolie just to really blend it out. But if you see, that just kind of like emphasises each hair and just makes it look nice and natural, but really nice. Next product I'm going to use is the Max Factor Volume Infusion Mascara. So this is a great mascara, and it's particularly great for this sort of look because it gives you definition and it makes your eyes look really bright and awake and big, but you don't need a lot of product, so it just kind of gives you that look straight away. So I'm just going to go in with this now. Straight away you get that thickness and definition, which is what we all want. And as this is a no makeup look, I'm not going to do any mascara on my lower lashes today because we just want to look natural and fresh, and I feel like it is sort of like a more evening thing if you're putting it on your bottom lashes, because I have quite long lashes and my bottom lashes are long as well. It can just look a bit too much for daytime sometimes, and especially when you're just trying to rock a no makeup look. You might just go completely mascara free, and definitely if I had fresh LVL I would be just not wearing mascara for this sort of look, but that's a great tip actually. So if you're kind of wanting to wake up every day and just look fresh and lovely, definitely get LVL on your lashes, or if you want you could just get the inserts and things like that they do. What do they call that? Cushion lashes and stuff, but you can get like smaller, more natural ones. Like I say, do the LVL, and definitely make sure your brows are tinted in shapes and stuff, because that makes such a difference. I always have my brows tinted in shapes, they're just not freshly done, so I have done obviously a little bit of my brow mascara. So the face is looking fresher, brighter, much better than it did before, so obviously all I've done at that point is wash, cleanse, tone, moisturise and everything. But now I'm just going to go in with my last product, which is the Lano Lips Tinted Lip Balm. The shade that I'm using is Rose. So it just comes in like a gloss style tube. Oh, I've got a big lump of it at the end there. Just like a gloss style tube, and I'm just going to go in on here. So no lip liner or anything today, no lipstick, just a little bit of tinted balm. Guys, that is it done. That is my look of the day. So all I've done is just 6 products today, and it's given me a really fresh, youthful and just dewy look, a no makeup look that anyone can achieve every single day. And if you're like me and you're a mum but you still like to look a little bit glamorous, then this is perfect for every single day. Just getting up, going out and thinking, I look a lot better now than I did when I first got out of bed in the morning. So this is just a really achievable and great look for you all to give a go. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. As always, I will link all the products in the description box below. And as always, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching today. But until next time, everyone, I'll see you soon. Bye.